Hey everybody, welcome back with your HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the face unlock not working in your Honor Magic V5. So, at first I do recommend to take some cloth, for example microfiber cloth like this one, close your phone like this, and now you have to clean the front camera. Front camera lens should be cleaned, and maybe your issue should be fixed then. Now it should work. Let me unlock my phone. If it does work for you, that's nice, but if it doesn't, let's move to the next step. We have to go to the settings, scroll down to the biometrics and password, and tap on the face recognition. Enter your password to your phone, and as you can see I don't have my face set up, so but you have to set up your face back again and register it. So let me do this easily and quickly. Now this is completed. Tap later, and now after registering, check if it does work. So let me raise it to wake. Now as you can see it works. Apart from that, ensure that you have good lighting during setup and use. This is not an iPhone that you have the LiDAR inside, so with this type of lighting it won't work. Turn on the lights, or go outside and check if it works. It should work then. And if it still doesn't work, I recommend to update software to fix camera bugs. Open settings, scroll all the way down to system and updates, tap software update, tap new version, and tap install. If after update it should work, but if it doesn't, contact the device support because your device is broken, so they have to fix your device. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment and like, of course, under this video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. Goodbye!